This is a gift bag, a paper brown bag. It is 5¼ by 3¼ by 8¼ What you can do is give this out as a gift, a birthday presents when you have a kid's party, celebrations, Valentine's Day, holiday time, you name it. The holidays are coming, and this is great to put in a present in a bag. You open it up, and it fits a nice size box, as you can see. And then you can simply get a colorful magic marker and write the person's or people's names on, or what you're celebrating. You can even draw or do whatever you want with these gift bags. They come in many different sizes and colors, and you may check online for further detail. I hope you enjoy your gift bag, no matter what you do with it, to hand out gifts, presents, put little, candy, food, whatnot, and carry along. You never know what you can use a gift bag for. And you have a nice gift to hand over to John. Enjoy your gift bags if this is right for you.